This is the park by my house. It's really just a big open grassy area with some trees, but the parks people left the whole center uncut. So we have all of these Indian paintbrushes and thistles and bee balm and some wild verbena and grasses all here. And there was a spot over here. I'll try to walk slow. Look at this pretty bee balm. But right here, you can see that something was sleeping there last night. Probably some deer. We are close enough to the outside of town for there to be deer. You can see how it's smushed down. And there's some other smaller areas that are a little smushed down too. Look at this pretty tree.